Two small charged identical metal spheres, X and Y, each with a mass of 10 grams, now hangs on two long thin wires that are fastened at the same point. The spheres have the same charge, repel each other, and come to rest with their centers 50 millimeters apart. Now, the angle that the wires make with the vertical is 45 degrees. Now, Echindaba, draw a labeled free body diagram showing all the forces acting on sphere Y. So now uyabona lapho sphere Y, uyabona nansi inakhuzana yokuqala. Enye nayo u-FG. Ukhumbule the two spheres repel each other. So kusho ukuthi kune-force emusa leyo sphere Y. So i-free body diagram yakhe izoba kanje. So sine-tension in this side, sino-FG, then sino-FE kanje. Tension, FE, electrostatic force, then kubo bani? Kubo FG. If awulabel kahle la, noma awulabel at all, you'll get 0. Now, bathi calculate electrostatic force that X applies to Y. Calculate the electrostatic force. So, bafuna u-E, Fe. So, wena uzokwenza lento yaka-grade 11 ebesiyenza. You have to fix one vector. Mawuthanda ungafixa loya. Mawuthanda ungafixa bani? U-T. Ake simfixe ku-T. Tension force. Ukhumbule u-T laphaya. Kade nange u-T nange. Lapha tekunobani? Tekuno-45. Ngikhumbule lo 45 loya. Okay. Bese uremova lo Fe. Fe ngamletha la. Fe bese thatha Fg ngiletha la. Nangu Fg. So lapha nakhona bani? Khona u-45. Shuthi nalapha kuzoba u-45. Shuthi la kuzoba ubani? U-90. And lo bani lo u-Fg, lo bani lo Fe. Loyana asimuvanga, simise yena samuva laba bawu-2 to make a triangle of forces. Okay, sesikwenzile. Khona lento okuthiwa yinakhuzana. SOHCAHTOA. Ngesiyenze SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Now, sifuna thina nangu angithi. So, masifuna yena, loyana singamthola lo, Fg. So, we'll use opposite over adjacent, so sebenzisa uthando. But before simsebenzisa sithole loya, ngoba imass sinikeziwe singakhona ukuthola Fg. So, khumbuleke imass yethu basinikeze in grams. Kanti thina uphepha nisebenza ngama-kilograms. So, imass kuzoba ubani u-10 divided by bani? 1000. Imass yethu 10 divided by 1000. Iphepha laseMpumalanga ngi-convert uzoyoqeda. Uma ungawazi ama-conversion, shuthi nje awuy'misele ngelutho ngoba eMpumalanga uhlezi convert. So, imass la nansi esizoyisebenzisa. So, Fg is equal to bani? Mg 0,01 times 9,8 times 9,8. That is 0,098 newtons. Now sesinayo FG njengoba besishilo sathi tan of 45 is equal to opposite FE adjacent FG. So FE wethu uzolingana FG tan 45. FG wethu 0,098 tan of 45 uzolingana nobani? Uzolingana zokwenza makunjalo newtons. So that is our final answer. Now bathini-ke FE lo. The two small charged identical metal spheres, so the charges are identical. Now let's calculate the charge on each sphere. If so, let's calculate the charge on each sphere, so FE is equal to K Qx Qy all over R squared. Khumbule the charges are identical, meaning Qx is equal to Qy. Okusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama siyakwazi ukuthi Qx times ubani? Qx all over R squared ubani? Fe. Fe wethu uba u-0,098. U-K wethu uba u-9 times 10 to the power of 9. Lokhu kuzoba u-Qx squared all over a distance between them. Shit. Lana is converted sesiyoqeda millimeters to meters divided by 1000. Uma ungakwazi uku-round off njalo uku-convert, shuthi kahle kahle wena uyithandi vele. Shuthi vele ungimisele ngokufeyila phela wena. Ngoba la uzo-convert uzoyoqeda nje ephela. Uma u-check-a ama-centimeters siwa-convert-ile to ama-meters, ama-millimeters siyawa-convert to ama-meters, ama-grams siwa-convert-ile kwephepheni elilodwa njalo to ama-kilograms, and ama-centimeter siwa-convert-e kabili kuma-questions ahlukene. So uma ungafuni ukubamba indaba yoku-convert angazi uhlele ini vele impilo yakho. Saphinde sa-convert-a ngom-UK ngale. Asike ngalo akusu-mu, microcoulombs times 10 to the power of -6. So senza nje times 10 to the power of 9. Lo nalo bayakhanselana. Ekugcineni ngiyamsusa lo. Uthi ngibashiyayo laba kwi-calculate so that bayokwenza izinto zibe lula. 0,098 times 0,05 squared all over 9 times 10 to the power of 9. So lana nginobani? 2,722 times 10 to the power of -14. Qx squared, square root on both sides. I-charge yami laphaya izolingana nobani? Angazi noma ngishaye kahle yini i-calculator guys, but kunginikeza lokhu, but method is correct. Kumele senze kanje. Kumele senze kanje. It might happen ukuthi angazi. Ngikhumbulile yini squared ngibona 0,098 0,05 all squared divided by 9 times 10 to the power of 9. Yeah, ngikhumbulile. I think the answer is correct.